Kardom Karbi Anglong News Channel kelang arado anaphanta nilihin pen adap kimi a kardom nang pachir iglo kardom. Pini Karbi Anglong News Channel abirta than ponji bang nilimen sami merjilin hansepi non berta angton pen arjuponik tha.
Patumi ni pha inkoi rahini ningkan surihini ra inkoi ra ke thom arni 1926 aningkan pen daihuri lakhai si Baptist Church Amonduli along pastor ke klemcheng karitang kichu sinar kokajan Amonduli along atipit adim kahumri lapen arnam kardom pidam bangso amai chepahem phupon lake dun pastor Rikipson sinar pensi bangso kachikimo pon along mai charipon lasonsi atumi ni pha inkoi rahini phai kunie Ningkan surihini ra inkora ketom daihuri lakhai si Baptist Church pen karlitang kichu sinar pastor kemancheng penapot atipit kokajan Baptist Church Amonduli along kachikimodam anparta atipit along Reverend Davidson Ingti ex executive secretary Karbi Anglong Baptist Convention mate KABC alangi pena joksi tipit along kachikimo asai along karlitang kichu sinar akai alamo than ponlo Karlitang kichu sinar alangli sopin so avi so arlo banghini akleng silake karlitang nilima sinarpi akibiamen kajor sinarpi Karlitang kichu sinar asopi akibialongsi chedodunlo kokajan Amonduli alongsi rengtik an kichu sinar akai alamo lake 1915 aningkansi Jesu Kristo phan ke kroi angthek lang parbib enlo alangli phan Karlitang Kichu sinar lang parbib ki en mate baptisma ki pipon lake America pen areng kelok atum arideng Reverend JM Carvel pen ajoksi kokajan alangroy alongsi hula sohut keleka Amonduli alongsi kekroy angthek baptisma endunlo Keleka Amonduli pen daihuri anke Halloween ajoksi missionary sahapen pin khat ponsi kardom kardi keso kyun e ahut punon kasiksak dokok jipu matha ponsi hala so ahut pen 1926 aningkan daihuri Sinner Baptist Church Amonduli nang seng thulo Lasonsi 1926 aningkan Monduli edet pen alangli phansi pastor arpupilo alangli karlitang kichu sinar kachepa bihek abang La ajoksi nonwang bomsi pining 2023 aningkan anke ningkan pharo ke chokjia phan te bok hetlo La so jok centenary jubilee aprang prang ka chikimodam mate ka chema thadam thu ajoksi pini alangli thiri mate artipit along an humri damlo akarjong sining hemreng me kedodun thekpe me chi phan Setame lakhai si Baptist Church Amonduli pen puthot adim an pale damsi hirjume sita hang piponlo Daihuri lakhai si Baptist Church Pastor Moses Sinar lapen Rilipson Sinar Dun Pastor Deacon Secretary Banker lapen Member Nimarli Risoejang anparta penang an armu atum chetong dun pen hirjume hang pidam pen mesen pensi bang swasai pachun pondonglo Dua Bargripen Edverson Crow Report Karbi Anglong News Channel
Ini anama hirjume pen kalitang lituma pusar lo Kichu sing na alangli ingkan haru krisir kebra ingkora trok pen haru krisir kebra likera trok anke anglen dak de pin pensi dehuri number 1 aprangke dehuri number 1 pukali aprangke dehuri sing nara monduli pusi ipu porque molong tengke asinona pisi muniratum kurjona men pen ke Mondulia men ki irke chokche pusi api chingwai pensi nona pisi dehri number 1 sita hala bangso hula kali tang kichu singnar monduli ki seng ahut amen mangke dehri singnar monduli wanwe la se la bangso ki thi tang jir ding kluilo pusi tame nelitum alangli ana makam ki claim ko ana nechipiduk lo Monduli nilitum dehuri number 1 Monduli pastor lo kali tangki choosing nar pena joksi par panjana Monduli ta hilusi pe hisafal bangso hut seng lo na pen ke janam lo la pen ke dehuri number 2 mate aprang ke potharjana Monduli pusi pu dakta nona phisi la bangso Monduli amen ke potharjan pu aprang ke non si dehri nomor 2 pu amen keci ir lapen rit langso pu lapen ke alang li penajok si dehri songrona monduli ta alang li si monduli je fellowship pu seng lo fellowship pen si non monduli pu chikrong long lo lapen ke rongbong hat aprang ke kalinia monduli pu non ta kalinia monduli pu lo lasi kalinia monduli ta alang li si fellowship seng lo lapen non monduli pu chipulong lo lasi alang li ko ane ne ke claim si piduk tekang nilitum chimat ha dam si pinia bangke nilitum alang li phan ka chiki mo jai mek to da apor pen litum chinghon reverend ding ti alang li pen jok si ka do be dak thiria long se tame ka chiki mo jai mek talang li pen si ka do be pleng pon lo pa chun pon long lo alang me herju me pen la pen non la bangso thiria long jai mek judara phike non litum kagojana monduli along non charge ahem along mate kadom ahem along nilitum dam thusi hadak aku ka chiki mo thu hadak kangdu kadom pen nilitum aku hadak ta aku girja du pon thu jela dasi nili nanglitum kado kawe na bangso ajai mek apu thak nang kelang do natum anaphan la pen nang chitong do natum anaphan sitame la pen aparta pu media korte tum sitame nang chitong do na po nilang tum phan ta churu par pik lo nasi lapuson ni tum phan nang cherap nang chitu dun alira lo nang pidu na po si nilang tum phan ta churu par pik lo
Nampi a ingnar ka phirno pigajok matikola ni hangarong chengbong arong sok nok khiti ke cho phalang nola ni jangkar bi anglong arlo khiruni southern range forest ke parlo khiruni matikola ni hangarong chengbong arong ongdung sok nok akhiti ke cho phalang nola phai kunie chiklo ni phai inkoira hinia jo khiruni southern range forest a reserve pen ongdung nampi a ingnar nang kilu chokajok rong thompli akhiti cho phalang no lablo pusi ongdung aradum ben ningjepo sonsi la rong thompli arong aradatum khiti kaluk sonajok khiruni southern range forest atum pen khiti purona nam nang pipona sonte mesenji pusi tuning ripon towe ejowet soknok akhiti chiri phokep sose lukson ponlo lasi non apor masap sovet asok nok chibi thekthia ko khiruni southern range forest a reserve arlopen john pharo sose a ingnar nanglut chokajok matikola ni hangarong chengbong arong ongdung arat atum kachutiki sok nok akhiti chohijik te kanglap lo phusi kisung ke pho arara tumpen ningchepon Khiruni pen kam sing dera Karbi Anglong News Channel.
হাতী আহি পেলাই বিঘা বিঘা ধান কুঁহিয়াৰ চব খাই দিছে এতিয়া মানুহে বেঘৰ হৈ গ'ল এতিয়া কি কৰিব কাটা খাইছে কাটা ধানে খাইছে এতিয়া কাটি পেলাই হাজিৰা লগাই পেলাই মানুহ কটাইছে চব খাই দিছে ৰাতি আহি চাব পাৰে ইয়াতে
অঞ্চলৰ নামটো কি
এইটো নিহাংগাঁও
কেইটা বজাত হৈছে
এইটো 1 বাজিৰ পৰা সোমাইছে চব
খেদাবলৈ আপোনালোকে কিবা এটা ব্যৱস্থা কৰিছে
নাই খেদাবৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰা নাই ইয়াত ইমান ভয় আছে
খেদাবলৈ
নোৱাৰে ইমান জাক হাতী
Nithoma Parman draft demonstration come awareness program amai kede Phai kuni ni phai inko ra hiniani di phurong sopi rong ni hang English high school along pini pen pangcheng si phai kuni ni phai inko ra phlian Nithom Aparman draft demonstration come awareness program amai kedeng Ministry of Textile Government of India tum ke pater pipon along sangpi Sabina Teronpi cherap chetudunsi Nithom Aparman draft demonstration come awareness program amai pangcheng ponlo Lason si kiramtang apor pentami sangpi Sabina Teronpi pen kipir ke thak penchenglo repen kason se asai ke claim atuma phantamis mesen our sai kipi pon ason thotsi thek pon longlo Lapen penang an abang photum ale kilongdung atung tami dulu Sonsi pini phai kuni ni phai inkoi rahiniar ni rong ni hang English High School along Kedopon graph demonstration com awareness program along LP Lapen High School along Loka Charlie Amumar Atum Bangpho Administrator Atumpen Pregjam Handicraft Sike Pipono Bang Solong Kadokawe Bang Paroso se Amumar Atum Tame Charlie Dunlonglo La Sopi Handloom and Textile Asai Hem along Tame Chowpalpu Atepi and Ponsi Handicraft Artisans Mati Kipir Kitak Penchenglo Repen Kason se Asai Kiklem Atumapan Chinki Jitan Mate Interaction Amai Pedopondo Lapen Artisans I Card Kasilampen Kopipi Ale Kedo Aputa Kami Pan Pajumiko
La artisan I card Kabunai Lapen demonstration ke Paklang school rong yang school along Lapen artisan I card kabe tu Lapen artisan I card ke do tu la bangke ni tu harada penap 23 ani si seminar dopo kasi pini alang litum Jorhat pen wang lo alang li lo director lo hadak Lapen penang an hadak pen Guwahati pen tawang Lapen penang an la so puthak la so craft ko skill development puthak la hai puthak ni litum penang an ajar kiding da klem bom lo wang bom lo dam bom lo la pen klem bom lo sita pin ya bang ke alang litum si la so ai card bonai ni tum han an sita me bonai pen alang litum pin ya ma chipon de ji ko ma si penang an artisan ai card tum ka bonai tum peni 75 ni do tum pini bang si la tum nang sami dun no la pen artisan ai card ke do tum penang an do dipu ta ni litum dipu mane Karbiang long penang an do dipu tu ha koloni Haraghat Langhin Dok Muka penang an ke kabonai tang do la sila kabonai tang atum an ke penang an ki claim atum ta do la son Government of India Ministry of Textile Jorhat penang Delhi penang anang ke rap atum ta do lo lang rap lo la si penang pini nilitum ki claim demonstration ki claim atum instructor atum ta dakamasi cerai long lo pini instructor bangke bangko isi bangke pilo popo textile and craft isi bangke cane and bamboo isi bangke jewelry isi bangke lason bag kabonai
Pini Amailong Assistant Director Handicraft Shaki Khan Gupta Sangpi Sabina Teronpi Jayanta Singh HPO Rupam Dhar Director Infinity Guwahati Atum Chetong Dunsi Mesen Pen Jai Mek Pachunpo
that is the handicraft office, handicraft service center Jorhat is the Ministry of Textile Government of India office, and here we are organizing with the help of madam that is one program that is known as Chowpal. Chowpal is just interaction program with the handicraft and handloom weavers of the Karbi Anglang. Here we enroll the artisans on spot, fill their farm to give them handicraft artisans card that is known as Pehchan card, and we tell them about our office schemes. Office scheme means Ministry of Textile scheme. We provide training opportunity to handicraft artisans, marketing platform to the handicraft artisans, and several schemes we make them aware with it, like handicraft awards, handicraft toll-free numbers, like that. Just we aware them about our office scheme. For that purpose we came here.
So then, till date, how many people engaged in this artisan?
No, entire here we did we did program in entire Assam. We organize at different locations. For example, today we enrolled near about 74 artisans. Like that, several places we organize this program. Near about 60 to 68 lakh artisans are in all over India. And they are already enrolled. They are having already artisan cards.
And so, can you just brief the event taken in the morning?
Event taken this morning in school is the craft awareness program, craft demonstration program, where our purpose is to make aware to the students. They learn about craft making, how artisans make the craft. They want to be aware with the craftsmanship. Just our purpose is to engage them, just to engage them in handicraft activity. They want to know how the craft is making there, and I want our purpose is to transfer the knowledge of the craftsmanship to the students. For in future they may get interested in that craft.
Text report, Karbi Anglong News.
Thank you.
Pinia berta ke lapuan si kang ton pon iklo do me thak mi